Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of these items, which is $155 worth of items, for free and made $4 buying it all. So of course I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I'm also going to show you how I used my spend 20 get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, as well as a spend 35 get $8 in Walgreens cash paper booster, and I do stack those boosters, so I'll be talking about how to do that as well. Before I get into all of that, a couple of quick announcements. One, I was super excited to launch a video all about Walgreens Cash. That video came out last week. If you haven't had a chance to watch it, I'm going to link it down in the video description box below. But it walks you through all of the most common questions about Walgreens Cash, and I start super simple. So that is what I think a great video, especially if you are a beginner and wanting to learn how to use and maximize your savings at Walgreens. Also, I am doing a $50 gift card giveaway over on Instagram with these lovely ladies. So if you're interested in getting entered to win that ends on Tuesday. So hop on over to my Instagram, Save with Christina, for additional details on that. I'm going to walk you through these individual deals, and then I will tell you how I put it all together for a great $10 moneymaker scenario. Okay, so one of the first things I grabbed were these Airheads. These Airhead ropes are priced at 2 for $3 this week. That is a sale price at Walgreens. And so I paid $3 for these, but there is an Ibotta offer for $1 back on each. So I got $2 back on Ibotta, making it $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. Also, if you are new to Ibotta, it is a great time to grab the app because there is a $10 bonus if you use my referral code. Another awesome deal if you like Werther's. These are priced at $1.49. The sugar-free chewy caramels were $1.49. There is a $1 digital coupon, making this bag just 49 cents. The pasta is on sale again this week. Buy one, get one free. Now, the online price is $1.99. My in-store price was a little bit more expensive, so I actually placed this as a curbside order, which is totally simple to do. I actually placed the curbside order while standing in the store because I was able to get the lower price that way. These are $1.99 each, but they are buy one, get one free, making them just 99 cents a box. But if you're looking for a great way to use your Walgreens cash, you could grab 6 of these. You're only gonna pay for 3, so that's $5.97. You could use $5 in Walgreens cash and just 97 cents out of pocket for 6 boxes of pasta. So I thought that was a great use of Walgreens cash this week. I want to tell you about a clearance deal that I found that is ridiculously awesome. It's on these Rejuvenate Muscle Health Shakes. Only the vanilla kind were marked on clearance at my store. These were marked at $1.29. But there is a Walgreens store coupon for $1.50 off. And with Walgreens store coupons, you can use them multiple times in the same transaction. So I bought 3 packs of these. These were $11.29 regular price, so 90% off. And I took 3 to the register. I had that $1.50 coupon clipped to my Walgreens account, and $1.29 came off for each of these, making all 3 of them completely free. So check your store and see if those are on clearance at your store. This is another item that I grabbed as a curbside deal because the online price was cheaper than the in-store price, and my store won't price match. So if your store will price match, you can do it either way. But there was also a coupon code that I used to make this product even cheaper. So online it is $18.99. There is a $7 digital coupon for the Mederma, as well as using the code SENIOR20. That took off $2.40. So the total cost was $9.29. And yes, you can absolutely pay with Walgreens cash. and I got $8 back on Ibotta, making this scar gel just $1.29. Now, I've never used this, but this is a product that I give to someone that I know, and they say it works really, really well. So $1.29, and it gave me another Ibotta rebate that got me closer to my $5 Weekend Warrior bonus, so that was awesome. The baby lips. Okay, so I noticed that the Maybelline products were buy two, get one free. And I also had one of those just for you coupons that we all know a lot of us get for $7 off two. So this is how I use that. I grabbed 3 of the baby lips priced at $3.99. Of course, one of them came off at the register because they are buy two, get one free. And my $7 digital came off, making it 98 cents for all 3 of them, or just 32 cents a piece. And I really like the medicated one. I think I keep it in my purse. I think it's a good chapstick. So awesome deal on that. But kind of cool, when I did that transaction, a coupon printed out for $3 off any Physicians Formula purchase. And I posted that over on my Instagram. So if you're doing any makeup deals, look out for that coupon printing from the Catalina machine. Okay, now Crest has some amazing deals this week, and we have coupons that are digital coupons as well as coupons that came out in the recent September Procter & Gamble. So this is one of the deals I did. I did a Crest deal a few times, but I got 3 of the Crest 3D Whites. There are tons of toothpaste that qualify for this. So you want to grab 3 that are priced at $3. So your total cost is $9. Now, I had a $2 digital and a $3 digital for the toothpaste. So I paid $4 total, and I got $5 back in Walgreens cash, making them all free and $1 moneymaker on toothpaste. Of course, we have no shortage of free toothpaste this week. I also grabbed these Colgates. These are $3.99 each, so total for 2 is $7.98. I had a $4 off 2 coupon, so I paid $3.98, and I got $4 in Walgreens cash back, making both of them completely free. Now, you can actually do this deal twice, because there is a $4 rebate on coupons.com. So I grabbed 2 more of these. I checked out, I paid $7.98 this time. I got $4 back in Walgreens cash, and then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app, and I got $4 back there as well, making them both free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So that's a deal that you can actually do twice, once with your digital coupon and once on the coupons.com app. Another awesome Crest deal for the buy 3 products, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, are on these Gillette clinical deodorants. These deodorants are crazy expensive. They are $8 a piece, but they're buy one, get one half off. So one will be $8, one will be $4. Not all of them were ring buy one, get one half off at my store. So this is the Ultimate Fresh. That's the one that worked for me at buy one, get one half off. There's also a $4 digital coupon for these. And then for my third product, I grabbed an Oral-B toothbrush because I had a $2 digital for the toothbrush. So 8 and 4 and 3, minus the $4 off 2 coupon for the Gillette, minus the $2 digital coupon for the Oral-B. I paid $9 at the register, and I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 of the participating products. And then I got back a $5 register reward for buying 2 Gillette products, which makes all 3 items free and a $1 moneymaker. So awesome deal on that. Just note, the only one that worked for me was the Ultimate Fresh. Let me know if you find others that are working for you as well. Like I said, there are so many different ways to do this buy 3 products, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So let me show you another way that I was able to do it. I grabbed another Oral-B toothbrush because I had a $2 coupon from the Procter & Gamble insert. And then I grabbed 2 of the Olay body washes priced at $5.99. And I've mentioned before that I really like this birch water one. It smells so good. All right, so $5.99 for both of these. I had a $4 off too for the Olay. And then the $2 Procter & Gamble coupon for the Oral-B toothbrush. So I paid $8.98 out of pocket, and I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 products, making them all $3.98 or just $1.32 each. So if you're not doing this as part of a spend deal, you can absolutely pay with Walgreens cash and you'll still get the Walgreens cash back. You can use Register Rewards if you want to use Register Rewards to pay, and you'll still get that Walgreens cash back. The only time that you want to be careful with using your Walgreens cash is when you're doing a spend deal like using a spend booster, and I'll tell you how I did my spend booster here in just a bit. All right, last Crest deal. I grabbed 2 of the toothpastes and a mouthwash. Okay, these are all priced at $3 each, so $9 total. I had 2 of the toothpaste coupons from the Procter & Gamble insert that are $2 off each of those. That coupon is a limit of 2, so I couldn't use 3 of those coupons, so I only used 2. And then I had a $1 off coupon for the mouthwash from the Procter & Gamble insert. So I paid $4. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 free, and a $1 moneymaker. Another great Ibotta deal is on the Edge Shave Gel. These are priced at $2.99. There is a $1 digital coupon, so you would pay $1.99 and then get back $1 on Ibotta, making this shave gel just 99 cents. The Poise pads, this one ended up getting substituted for me. I ordered a different one as a curbside deal and then they substituted it, but it is $5.99 and there are 2 different coupons. There is a $3 digital coupon, which is a manufacturer's coupon, and then there is a $2 Walgreens store coupon that also applied. So $5 came off, leaving me to just pay 99 cents for this product. Last week, there was a Shopkick deal for these. This week, I have not seen that pop up, but fingers crossed because that would make it even better. These Banana Boat After Sun lotions have also been on promotion like the last couple of weeks. They've been a great deal. They're priced at $2.99 each, so you want to buy 2 of them. That is a total cost of $5.98. There was another $5 digital that popped up, so I paid 98 cents for both of them, or just 49 cents each. And my mom has already called dibs on one of these. So the last deal that I found using Ibotta were on these Nature Made zinc vitamins. So these were the cheapest ones that my store sold. These are $6.49 each, but they're buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 of them for $6.49. There was a $2 digital coupon, so $4.49 at the register, and I got back $2 for each of them on Ibotta. So that means they were 49 cents for both, or just 24 cents each. And this would work with a number of different Nature Made vitamins. I just grabbed the cheapest one because that was the best deal. But if there's another vitamin that you take, it's probably a better deal that you grab the one that you're actually taking. Okay, so let me tell you how I put these deals together to use both my paper booster for spend $35, get $8 in Walgreens cash, as well as my digital booster for spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. And you can absolutely stack those as long as I hit the highest threshold limit, which was $35. I will get both credit for the digital as well as the paper booster. So here is how I combined those to get to the $35 limit. I grabbed 3 of the Crest toothpaste for the buy 3 products, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I grabbed the Olay body wash and the Oral-B toothbrush deal that I told you about. And then I did the Colgate deal twice Okay, remember I had one with the digital coupon, one that I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app. So for all of that together, the total was $39.94. So I hit the spend threshold of $35, which is what I had to hit for the paper booster. After coupons, I paid $24.94, and I did pay that out of pocket. If you had register rewards that were manufacturer register rewards, you could use those to lower your out-of-pocket cost. I got back the $8 for spending $35 on the paper booster. I got back the $5 for spending $20 on the digital booster. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for buying the 3 toothpaste. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying the 2 Olay and the Oral-B toothbrush. I got back $8 in Walgreens cash for buying 4 of the toothpaste, and I got back the $4 on coupons.com for buying the 2 that I didn't use the digital coupon on. So that means I got $35 back, but I only spent $24.94, which makes that whole transaction a $10.06 moneymaker. So awesome deal there. If you don't want to spend the $35 or you don't have the paper booster, you can combine these deals any way you want to get to that $20 if you have that $20 spend booster this week that I'm hoping you have, because there are some amazing deals this week. If you have questions on any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. I'm happy to help you. Don't forget to check out that video on all about Walgreens Cash, because I really feel like it will answer some of the most popular questions for you, as well as pop on over to my Instagram at Save with Christina to get yourself entered in that $50 gift card giveaway. If you're not an Instagram user, totally get it. I also have a Facebook page that you can find me at. It's facebook.com/savingwithchristina. Last but not least, if you are a pggoodeveryday.com user, so if you submit your receipts to that website, don't forget there are tons of P&G rebates this week. And if you're not using it yet and you want to, I do have the link down below. What you do is you upload your receipts that have any Procter & Gamble product on it. They give you points for purchasing those Procter & Gamble products, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. We've gotten a number of free pizzas, as well as I think Starbucks. And I want to say there's one more that we've gotten, but pizza and Starbucks are the ones that we normally cash out for. Hope y'all are having a great start to your week. Thanks.